I don't know if these are dry all the way, but let's see. Still need some time, but it's okay. I just can't resist. I know these are not pretty, but the kids are with my husband in the background, and I'm just de-stressing. It's the last day of school. I need my sanity before it goes away this summer. It smells so good. I have to smell it. Let's do 2 at a time. They're not dry, but there's a box in the kitchen, Oscar. Bye. There's a box in the kitchen. You guys, please. Marcos, ask for your dad's box in the kitchen. Thank you. Sorry, I hella screamed. So he's with the kids right now, so don't interrupt. Oh my gosh, Oscar, they're in the kitchen right there by his toys. Goodbye, Felicia. Oh my god, it's like a Ratchet video. Oh my lord. I need friends. Anybody want to be my friend? I'm sorry, I can't hide the ghetto and hide my family. Oh my god. Please, Lord, be on my side today. Even if it's just 5 minutes, getting away, having some me time, like everyone tells me, they're right. I need it. I deserve it. You guys all do too. Whatever situation you're in, whatever problems and stress, anxiety, you're not alone. I feel you. It's knocking on my door. What's up, son? Don't open the door. What's up? I think Daddy can solve your problem.
Thank you.
I'm hella sorry about that. They keep interrupting me. Play with this later. It's still drying. Alright, you guys.